Welcome to our video guide about enabling billing integration for Accelerate WordPress via WHMCS add-on. Before I start, let's open our Cloud Linux documentation, where you can see the detailed guide with commands for installation and setup of the Accelerate WordPress plugin for WHMCS. Now we can move to WHMCS System Setting Add-on Modules. For now, there is no Cloud Linux Advantage module, and as a result, no available Accelerate WordPress group options in the Products/Services menu. Now, let's move to our WHM admin panel, where you will host Accelerate WordPress end users. You already can see a single active user. And perform a first step from the documentation guide to verify the correct configuration of our cron jobs. I'll navigate to WHMCS and access the automation status to view the cron status. Everything appears to be in order, so let's continue. Note for Plesk panel users: if you intend to offer the Accelerate WP feature alongside Plesk hosting, an additional extension needs to be installed. However, in this demonstration, I will showcase the setup with cPanel. Now, let's proceed with the installation of our plugin by downloading the latest version of the plugin and proceeding to unzip the files in the web root for the WHMCS domain. The extraction was successful, and now let's navigate to the add-ons page within the WHMCS system settings. Under the add-on modules, the Cloud Linux Advantages option is now visible and can be activated after a successful activation confirmation is received. Let's configure the add-on. Remember to select the appropriate log mode and provide full administrator access. Once done, remember to save the changes. Now, let's move forward to access the configurable options to set the prices. Under Configurable Options, a new group becomes available upon activating the plugin, allowing us to set up the prices. For example, let's set up the Accelerate WordPress Premium price $5 per month. After setting the price, save the changes and close the configuration. Next, proceed to assign the hosting product. By navigating to the product setup, select the needed product and click on the Edit button. Here you can see that the main module is cPanel, and the configurable options are associated with Accelerate WP. Pricing also has been established. Also, it is important to enable the ability to upgrade or downgrade for your end users by clicking on the checkbox near this option. By clicking on Save Changes, we have finished the plugin setup and can now proceed to configure our server. Now we need to set up an upgrade URL and link the server to our WHMCS rule. As you can see, the upgrade URL is inactive for now, so let's configure it. Once the URL is set up, everything is ready to make a purchase. Let's test it and log in as the website owner to WHMCS. Navigate to Order New Service Hosting our demo hosting. Here you can see the available option to include Accelerate WordPress Premium that we previously set up for the clients. After order completion, a new user should appear on the server. Let's now install a test WordPress website in cPanel for this new user to see how Accelerate WordPress advice will look like for the website owner. By choosing the Accelerate WordPress software in cPanel Tools menu, you can see that no advice is still available for this new website due to time needed to process the website queries and generate advice if any is available. Depending on website traffic, it may take up to 48 hours. But despite the advice availability, you already can see the premium features are available for this user for manual enablement via Settings menu. WHMCS administrators can manage the options within this order, and for example disable access to AccelerateWP Premium for this user. And after refreshing, we can get back to the end-user UI and see that premium features now require upgrade for enablement. Upgrade button will redirect the end user to the WHMCS panel to purchase the premium features. The deployment status can be tracked throughout the process via WHMCS, along with access to the upgrade/downgrade options that you can set to off. This also leads to the unavailability of Accelerate WordPress Premium access for end users, and they will require to upgrade first. That concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.